We also have a chat group for the AVN Warriors where you can try to ask questions in our support, in our community. And if dili nato matubag tanan mga pangutana, we have this live every Saturday at 6 p.m. to answer your questions po. So, we have a question, Doc, what is the best approach for a hip replacement? So, for those of you who are interested in hip replacement, there is a anterior, that's from the front, nasa posterior, which is from the back, nasa sa tubangan na approach, nasa sa likod, nasa sa sides or lateral. It's really best that you consult with your surgeon because not all surgeons have the same opinion. So from case-to-case basis, a lot of surgeons will say this approach is best, kaning posterior or from the back. Some will say anterior from the front. And for me, it's really a discussion na it's for patient and surgeon to talk. Para sa ako, I will definitely have a surgeon do my hip kung asa siya kanang best trained, because some surgeons are trained more sa back or posterior, others are trained more sa anterior, and others sa lateral or hard hinge. So that is all going to be the same after 6 weeks. There are studies saying that maybe the anterior is faster sa first weeks after surgery. That's a relatively better. If you are a anterior surgeon, you will know that no muscles are cut and patients are faster out of the operating room and faster out of the hospital. Again, that is my opinion. That's what I like to do. I like to have patients walk immediately. Ganahan ko makagawa sila sa hospital, especially after the COVID na to. A lot of patients do not want to stay inside the hospital for weeks. Ganahan ta uli dayon. So, ganahan sa go, you walk and you go home as fast as possible. Some patients are, after hip replacement, discharged 24 hours after surgery po. So, thanks for that question. Again, if you have any questions, you can comment in the chats below and we'll try to get back to you as soon as we can po. We do this live every Saturday at 6 p.m. If you have been getting valuable information, please do like, follow, and share this with your friends.